Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes, and good morning on such a gorgeous morning. I am going to the Allegro Playacar. I'm not staying here, so it'll be a quick visit, so I won't know anything about the food or anything, but follow along and let's see what we see with this cute little boutique family resort. Enjoy life. I have been here a couple of times and I've had weddings here and they've been very successful. It's a cute little resort, small. I think you will like it. There are 286 rooms here and on 2 levels, and this resort was newly renovated, I guess you could say, freshened up a few years ago, so the rooms are lovely. This is a disco, adult only, until 1 a.m. So that's fun. If you don't want to go to bed early, you want to have a little dance and a drink, here you go. And this is the theater. They perform shows nightly at 9 p.m. and if you're here for a week, they try really hard not to repeat. So you could come each night and it would be something different. You can see tennis courts over there, and that area can be used for wedding receptions. Morning. Good morning. This is very pleasing to the eye. It's quiet and calm and soothing. And it's shaped a bit like a horseshoe, so it's easy to navigate. So you can see that they are cleaning, which is a nice thing. She is actually power washing. That's how clean this resort is. So if you're in building 32, you can easily find the buildings as they are all numbered. No elevator, so you do have to be mobile to go up the stairs to the 2nd floor. You can request a ground floor though. Maybe you'd like to shoot some hoops during the day, preferably early in the morning because it's 10 o'clock and it's over 30 degrees and it's December. The sun is shining and it's a beautiful day. So as you can hear and see, these are the quiet pool. Well, it's actually one pool and there's a bridge that goes over top. But this is a nice area to just sit and relax and read a book.
And they're all related.
And here we have the bar. Ooh, look at the numbers. How cool. Good morning. Look at the variety of drinks. Oh my goodness. Laguna Azul, Sangria, Margarita, Tequila Sunrise, La Moda Electrica. Not sure what that is, but I'm sure it's delicious. This is a Superior Premium Room, 5803, and it's because of the location of being so close to the beach. All the rooms are the same inside, it's just the location that changes. So they are modest in size, may I say. But they look inviting and it looks clean. Bathroom. If you're not intending to spend a lot of time in your room, there would be nothing wrong with this. And there is an overhead fan. And again, this is a Superior room. This is a Superior Premium 1 king-size bed, 5804. And again, it's a modest size room, but the bed looks inviting. There's a television, it's air conditioned. There's a fan. Bathroom, makeup mirror, hair dryer, closet. What more do you need? And when you walk out of your room, this is your view. And there's that beautiful turquoise water. And you can see that there's shade with trees. So you can see there is no seaweed. Beautiful turquoise water, white beach, and there's Allegro Playacar. And right next to it is the Royal Hideaway. They are side by side, one's family and one's adult only. If you need to plan some activities, there's an activity center and they can tell you all about the tours and excursions that are going on. And this is a pizzeria, so if you'd like to have pizza, they do have it. Bar in the lobby, and this is for lunch buffet and breakfast buffet. This is the Asian restaurant called Fuji. So right beside the bar is an area to play sports. So in essence, a sports bar. And at Allegro Playacar, you are in Playa Del Carmen. So you can easily walk on the sidewalk, go to 5th Avenue, walk to some stores. There's a little shopping mall down here, so it's a great place to come for a vacation because you can stay in your resort or walk out and go shopping, go to some excursions, take the ferry to Cozumel. So it's a great choice. Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. I hope you've enjoyed my tour of Allegro Playacar. Thanks for watching.